We can create some more bases as well. We can assume different things, we can think of different things, and on the basis of those we can categorize the contracts. Like we can come up with the concept of e-contracts, like the same types of contracts that we discussed. If they are taking place, any of these types of contracts, if they are taking place online or through electronic mode, we may call them electronic contract. So this was also a category that we can think of. Like those are contracts after all, but taking place through electronic mode, then we can term as e-contracts or electronic contracts. So this was also a category that we can conceptualize. So example of this category or the e-contract is like you enter into an agreement when you download an app. You agree to it. So you agree to it, so you have created an agreement, and when it is enforceable by law, it will be like a contract. So it's an e-contract. Like when you agree to email agreement, the content is there, and when you click the I accept button, so you enter into that contract. And there are online form submissions as well for jobs and other things. And when you purchase a product from some e-commerce site, so when you go to the cart and you have submitted your requirements, so you have entered into an e-contract. Now quasi-contracts. Quasi-contracts are such sort of contracts when some obligation is imposed on a party without an agreement. Like we have also discussed it earlier, like a person or a party goes to a particular place and purchases a property over there, and local bodies laws are acting on them. Like we can take a quasi-contract here as well. The person goes and resides to that in that place, and he is bound to pay taxes to the municipality. So this type of situation where he has not explicitly entered into a contract, but this is a quasi-contract, because it will be considered, he will be bound with that contract, because he will be bound to pay taxes to the municipality, and it will be bound to realize taxes from that person as well, because its laws bind the body to do that. So that will be a quasi-contract. So we have ideated these types of contracts, and generally people ideate these types of contracts. So you can ideate things, think then how you can classify. So it's all a matter of understanding that we are classifying these contracts on the basis of different categories. So it's a matter of conceptualization, how we perceive them or how we understand them. So on the basis of understanding, we categorize them as well.